It's a rainy evening, friends. We done already joining housing from a Speed Queen commercial washing machine, and we rewind this one before, but the problem is we do so much baking process in this one to get long life of the rewind. And now we done already joining, and then let's check the positioning of the rotor. We do balancing, and then the play, the rotation is very smooth. Look at this. Even you tickle your finger, it could be smooth in operation. Thank you, and